even know if he's coming today. I forgot to ask.
You mean coming for exam? You didn't know? What do you mean?
Because he's not going to be a doctor.
Oh. I see.
Like some...
So who else coming? Or could be no one?
No one. Huh? I don't know. I'm not sure.
Yeah, but when you walk to BTS, not that long, right?
No. There's lots of people too.
Oh yeah, supposed to be because it's a main transportation.
Yeah.
Everyone gonna walk there, no matter where they go.
Yeah. Too many people. Oh, maybe I should try calling.
Let's just call and find out. Yesterday you had how many friends you got? Only one or that's it?
Yeah.
Oh.